In this video, we're going to be looking at finding the inverse of each function. So number one, I have f of x is equal to 6 to the x. Well, I know from my definition above that my inverse of b to the x is just log base b of x. So here I have 6 to the x. That means that my inverse here is just going to be log base 6 of x. Okay, now number two is a little bit more work. So I have f of x is equal to the natural log of x plus 3. So I have that x plus 3 in there, so I can't automatically just say it is this. I'm going to have to do a little bit more work. So we're going to do what we did in a previous unit when we were finding inverses. First, I'm going to rewrite this to be y is equal to the natural log of x plus 3. And then find the inverse, I need to have x and y switch places. And so I have x is equal to the natural log of y plus 3. And now I need to solve for y. Well, I need to get rid of that natural log, and I know that my inverse of natural log is e. And so I can rewrite this to be e to the x is equal to e to the natural log of y plus 3. And the reason why I do that is because this e and this natural log cancel each other out. And so that leaves me with e to the x is equal to y plus 3. And then I can just move that 3 to the other side. So I have e to the x minus 3 is equal to y. So f inverse of x is equal to e to the x minus 3. Okay, let's look at number 3. So number 3, I have f of x is equal to e to the x plus 2. So I'm going to rewrite this first as y is equal to the e x plus 2. And then I'm going to have x and y switch places. And so I have x is equal to e raised to the y plus 2. And now I need to get y by itself. So I need to think back, what is my inverse of e? And that's going to be natural log. So I'm going to rewrite this in logarithmic form. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So now I have the natural log of x is equal to the natural log of e to the y plus 2. And just like what we saw up here with number 4, when I take the natural log of e, that cancels out. And so I am left with natural log of x is equal to y plus 2. And then when I subtract 2 to the other side, I get the natural log of x minus 2 is equal to y. So f inverse of x is equal to the natural log of x minus 2. Okay, let's look at one more. Number 4, I have f of x is equal to log base 4 of x plus 2. First, I'm going to write this to be y is equal to log base 4 of x plus 2. And now I'm going to have x and y switch places. So this becomes x is equal to log base 4 of y plus 2. And now I need to solve for y. So I want to first subtract that 2 to the other side. And so I have x minus 2 is equal to log base 4 of y. And now I need to remember, how do I get rid of that log base 4? Well, remember, if I put that in the exponent of that base, that cancels it out. Like b to log base b of x is equal to x. So I can have this be 4 to the x minus 2 is equal to 4 to the log base 4 of y. And when I do that, this log 4 cancels out. And so I just have 4 to the x minus 2 is equal to y. So f inverse of x is equal to 4 raised to the x minus 2.